Hey everybody, it's Yogi, and I'm here in the kitchen about to teach you how I made my truckercinos on the truck. So, when I made my truckercinos, the thing was a meal. I didn't always have time to eat before I left for the day, especially with having to have time to walk the dog, get a little exercise in, do the pre-trip on the truck, and everything else that I had to do. So I am going to make a Keto Chow Truckerccino. Keto Chow is something that I like to keep on my truck because it was an easy meal, it had a lot of nutrition in it, and I could prep it and drink it as I was going. So we have some different flavors that all work really well here in the coffee. We got mocha, pumpkin spice caramel. One of my favorites is eggnog, salted caramel, which we'll be using today, vanilla, which is always really good, cookies and cream, chocolate, and if you don't want to do sweetener and you want to stay away from, kind of go more toward bitter foods and you think maybe the sweetener might be activating your hunger signals, they also have the base mixture. And this is really good because you can keep your dish savory or bitter, the coffee, get the coffee flavor, not have any flavor, but still get all the nutrition. The really cool part about Keto Chow is the ingredients are really top quality. They even use methylated B vitamins in there, which is really the next step up of your average B vitamin score. They took a whole lot of care of what they put into the product. So today we are going to do the truckerccino with the salted caramel, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my mug, and as you can see, I got quite a large mug, and there's a reason for that, because I want to be able to fit this bad boy in there and mix it all up and get it nice and foamy. So you can't have like a little tiny mug because everything's going to be going flying everywhere. So I got my big mug. Most of the time in the truck I had my big size Bubba Cup travel mugs. Now, because the Tin Man needs a little grease in the joints, needs that oil can, I am going to take a couple of scoops of collagen peptides, put that in there. That is just a little added nutrition and helps me out. Then I'm going to go for my fat. So I got a couple tablespoons of butter. I'm going to throw that in there. The reason why I like to use butter is because it's tasty. And to go bulletproof style, I also have some coconut oil. So that's going to go in there. Now, I'm also going to add some heavy cream, and this is mainly to help it mix up. It does add some fat to it, so it's a nice fatty way to go start your day. So the heavy cream is going to go in there, and then this is what gives it the foamy top. Adds a bit of nutrition. I got a couple of eggs. Now, people online, when I talked about putting eggs in my coffee, freaked out. And they're like, oh my God, I can't think I would have coffee with raw egg in it. Here's the thing, you're putting hot liquid in there. The egg is no longer going to be raw. We're going to be doing a process called tempering an egg. So, we don't want the egg to curdle. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get the stick blender in there, and we're going to start mixing things up. Okay, get that powder incorporated. Start breaking up some of that fat. Get the egg incorporated with the cream. And when I can go down, I'm moving the stick blender up and down. And when I can go down and I can start touching the bottom of the mug, and things are starting to look a little creamy, I'm going to start slowly pouring in my hot coffee. And we're going to do something real quick because this thing's bouncing around a lot. So I'm going to take a moist towel, the Carrie Brown trick, and I'm going to put that there to keep this thing from sliding. Okay. Now I'm really going to incorporate everything in. And I'm going to pick up the speed, because that's what's going to start giving me that nice little froth that I usually get on the top of my coffees. Okay, so I'm starting to get a little bit of a foamy layer up there, nice little bubbly layer. Throw that in the sink. Set this aside. I'm going to go ahead and just top it off a little bit. And I got a nice foamy Truckerccino to start my day off in my nice big mug, and this thing is a full-on meal. So make sure that when you watch this video, you look below, because we have a discount link that you can click on and get yourself a nice discount for the Keto Chow. All right, everybody, it's always on your first order. Also, make sure you click the link below for subscribing, the like button, and leave us some comments and let us know how you think we're doing. All right, everybody, have a great day.